ecosystem, it is the type of man-made ecosystem where we use of aquarium and other biotic and abiotic things such as, so ang ginamit namin dito ang we use the sand, rocks, river wood, and those aquatic plants and species. And the size of this aquarium is,
width niya is 15 inches, tapos height is 15 inches, and length niya is 60 inches.
and we will proceed what is the importance of those aquatic species that are in this ecosystem.
The importance of river aquarium ecosystem is ability to indicate the awareness about the aquatic biodiversity and ecosystem fostering environmental conservation effort. Additionally, the river aquarium provides value of opportunities flowing the study of aquatic life, water quality, and ecosystem dynamics and control.
So in addition, in this river aquarium ecosystem, it is important that it will help us to have enough knowledge on how those aquatic species are lived throughout in this cycle in this aquarium. And also, malalaman natin ano ba yung mga species na talaga nanitirahan sa ganitong ecosystem. In addition, we will know what are those anthropogenic activities that were involved in this ecosystem. Siyempre, hindi naman natin malalaman yon kasi kung hindi natin malalaman yun kasi hindi naman tayo nasa ilalim ng river. So, through this activity, malalaman natin anong mga activities yon, anong mga makaka-apektong anthropogenic activities dito sa mga aquatic species. So, next, what is the importance of those biotic and abiotic things in this ecosystem?
They are the two components of biotic and abiotic factors. Abiotic, tapos ang aquatic plants like eelgrass, tapos ito po ang arrowhead na plants, and then water lettuce, ito po siya. Tapos abiotic factors, ito naman po is yung rocks, sand, and yung riverwood. Tapos ang po namin is sa river, isa lang po siyang riverwood. Tapos ang ginamit po namin na sand is 4 kilos. Tapos sa naman po, sa rocks naman po is 250 peraso. Tapos and then sa naman po, sa mud po is 2 kilos. Para po makabuo po siya ng miniature river na aquarium.
So, ang important